Hello, today I will show you how to make the TNT mod. First you need to download mcreator. Yes, I will be using this to make the mod. I have made it, you can see the shot. Yes, look, you can put any display name. Oh, yeah. Yes, now you need to open yes, it has been loaded right now. It will take quite a while to load, and after that we need to load the texture files as I have done right here. I have loaded my textures. You just have to click import textures and import block textures, and then go to mod elements, then click on plus, then choose the block option, then you can write anything. Yes, and now you just have to choose the pictures, textures. Yes, I have done my TNT textures, and now you need to go to properties on the below. Oh, I don't know what. Yes, now you need to set this material to TNT and create the inventory tab. You just don't need to worry about it. You can put it if you want, and you can choose a custom sound set or a vanilla sound set. I just use the chain sound set for my video, and after that you need to set the hardness value to 0 as normal TNT is, and the resistance to 0, and click yes, nothing in this tab right now. After that, go to triggers and then click on block, right click and press 1 and create procedure, and go to item procedures. Where is that? Search for main hand here, MAIN, and where is that? Item in main hand of. Select this one and then go to flow control, if, and then logic, and then equals to not this color logic, not this type of logic. Where is that? This type of logic you need to put here, and go to Minecraft components. After that, select this block and go into that and select flint and steel. Select flint and steel, then this part is optional. You can make particles appear. I will do it. Spawn particles. Yes. You need to do 1 spawn any. Let's do 30, and type, where is that? Smoke normal. I use that, and after that go to block procedures. Where is that? Yes, now search for expl, explode at, do that. Wait, in the middle you have to do wait. Yes, you need to put this here and then put this here. type break 4. Let's go to 100, and you can wait any text. Let's do 20 for now. Yes, and now this command is over, and the optional this is an optional one. When block destroyed by explosion, it's an optional. Yes, so I will show you how to do it, but redstone on and those are same. So do wait, and then explode as normal TNT does. It explodes at this fastly if it's hit by explosions. So let's do that. And also, and wait, yes, I have also done it to redstone on. Yes, let's do this. I will create another. Wait, I haven't saved it. Yes, and now add here create procedure, and then explode. Yes, now with power 100. Save, 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 save. And once you have everything done right, then you can press here. It will output the file, export the file in a .jar file. Yes, export the mod without donating, you can do that. And you can put the file name. Yes, and it will export the file. Now let's see what to do next.